Hey Insulators, I'm here in New York, Rochester, New York with Jeremy Taylor. He's of Kohler Insulation. He owns a Coolvac 23, CM2400 with the 16-inch airlock, and just recently purchased the 3000XL. What do you think, Jeremy? How have these units been for you?
They've been great. What I really like about them is how easy they are to work on if you ever need anything. But just the output, we haven't had any issues at all.
Good. And so you were telling me when you guys are using the 2400 with the 16-inch airlock, and then they jump over onto this 3000, it's got a 24-inch airlock. That's a big jump. They like to use the other one more when you're in the industrial settings, right?
Yeah, we've run the machines side by side before and had a couple different guys working at the same time, and this machine usually finishes an area quite a bit sooner. And it's hard to get the guys off it once they start on this one.
You're a spray foamer. Obviously, you got the spray foam V. You told me that you're doing almost as much cellulose as you were spray foam. As a spray foamer, what do you recommend other spray foam companies start with?
I first started the Cool Machines 1500 is my first blow machine. And that was just to offer those to customers on jobs I was losing to, if mainly budget concerns. So it was just something to grasp more of that market.
Right, and then having the extractor, then you got into that.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's been nice to see your growth. I mean, it's just like growing.
Yeah, I mean, every year we try and make a step, and
that's good.
You've made it easy to learn about the machines and make
nice.
the right choices for us, so I appreciate that.
Well, you're welcome, and nice to hear that too. So, well, thank you, Jeremy.
No problem. Thank you.
So this machine has the vinyl curtain. Hopper extensions have this drop-down drawer. That curtain really kind of cuts the dust back. You got them on both machines. And then when you have a dust curtain like this, you can add ports on each end if you want to get into wall spray cellulose or wall spray fiberglass. The fiberglass product right now is hard to get, but the cellulose is real popular.